Connect all your real estate or infrastructure teams through StrategicERP Dynamic Mobile app, which streamlines projects, customer relationships, accounts, and employee self-service to boost visibility, efficiency, and sales. Sign in from anywhere and begin the day by checking the progress of your projects. Generate purchase requisition, goods issue notes, service received note, and keep track of inventory levels. Update your daily progress reports after you approve shortlisted vendors and quotations. Nurture leads and customer relationships on the go. Manage inquiries from various sources and convert leads faster with instant snapshots of your CRM activities and status of units. Track customers' pending payments and resolve their queries effectively. Streamline accounts receivable and accounts payable processes or get quick insights on availability of funds, along with reports for total sales, due versus received, and unsecured loans. Create agile and happy teams with our mobile ESS solution to optimize salary, expenses, attendance, and leave management while facilitating easy communication and collaboration. Do not miss your team's birthdays and anniversaries, and end the day by signing out with your smartphone. We build adaptive teams that bring results, empowered by AI innovation.